Hello you guys! Ito ang mga kaganapan dito sa bahay ngayon today. Today is what? Wednesday? Yeah. Well, plano na to kahapon kaya lang hindi ko nagawa. So, today, kailangan to magawa. Oh my God. Although, empty na ang downstairs. And this is the room. This is Josie's craft room. See? Naibalik na yung yung humongous wreath sa kanyang bahay. And all these kailangan maayos. Maayos din. This tree right here, that tree, I'm gonna empty it, and that one over there too. So I'm gonna get rid of it. Either give it to somebody else who want it or donate it to the Salvation Army. Okay, and lahat ito kailangan masort. Mailagay sa mga sari-sariling lalagyan para next year. Huhugutin na lang ang box, ang bin. They're all transparent, so kita. Anyways, that's the downstairs na. Wala nang laman. Oh. It's naked na, sabi ng husband ko. Whoa! Downstairs looks like naked house. No. And this is the other room. Oh my God, you guys. Ang daming gagawin. Lahat to mga dati lalagyanan ko ng mga mga gift wrap, Christmas gift wrap. So I'm gonna sort all those and get rid of a lot of the ones that I don't need anymore. Okay, and this is the room, the storage room that we use to store all the Christmas stuff. Christmas tree, the huge Christmas tree, and those boxes are Christmas villages. It's too many. I don't put them up anymore. So, okay, you guys, wish me luck. See how much I can do today.